Hey! YouTube fam! What's up? Guys, in today's video, we are starting the most advanced CSS course. In this course, we will learn amazing and advanced CSS stuff like cool animations, transitions, CSS advanced properties and features, CSS preprocessors like SaaS, and many more. If you have already completed the basics of CSS, this course is for you. We will delve into how CSS works behind the scenes, its functioning in the browser, using CSS preprocessors to write less code, and creating highly responsive and user-friendly web pages. What makes this course advanced? Many CSS courses on YouTube and other platforms don't cover advanced topics, which can hinder your confidence and design skills. Another reason is that most courses only focus on the coding aspect of CSS, neglecting the practical application in real-world scenarios. But in this course, I will teach you how things work behind the scenes and how to apply them in your coding. Throughout the course, we will work on more than 10 projects, helping you build a strong portfolio. After completing this course, you will have extensive knowledge of advanced CSS techniques and the ability to create impressive web pages. However, if you are new to web design and have no CSS knowledge, I recommend learning the basics first. This course aims to be the most advanced and powerful CSS course worldwide. If you're interested in learning advanced CSS, subscribe to the Unique Coder and join us on this learning journey. I'm Jayesh, signing off. Thank you for watching this video. Take care of yourself.